Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The State Electricity Board is a state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution of India, and it is a statutory authority. Full stop. If the board has the power to frame or revise the tariff as contained in section 49 and other provisions of the 1948 Act, which is plenary in nature unless a statutory provision is brought into force interdicting exercise of such power, it cannot be held to become denuded thereof. Full stop. The power to make tariff would bring within its folds the power to revise the same. Full stop. Exercise of such powers from time to time would depend upon the exigencies thereof. Full stop. The powers guidelines under the provisions of 1998 Act were to be exercised by the Central Commission or the State Commission. Full stop. It must come into existence for the said purpose. Full stop. A non-obstinate clause contained in section 29 or section 52 of the 1998 Act would be attracted only when the commission comes into force and not prior thereto. Full stop. The provisions of the said Act are to be exercised by the commission for the purpose of the Act. Full stop. It must, therefore, come into existence before it can exercise its power. Full stop. Para. It is, therefore, difficult for us to persuade ourselves that the factors enumerated in classes C2 G contained in subsection 2 of section 29 of 1998 Act, providing for the principles required to be followed by the commission, were binding on the state electricity boards also. Full stop. The state electricity boards are entitled to frame tariff in terms of the provisions contained in the 1948 Act. Full stop. The tariff so framed is legislative in character. Full stop. The board as a statutory authority is bound to exercise its jurisdiction within the four corners of the statute. Full stop. It must act in all fields including the field of framing tariff by adopting the provisions laid down in 1948 Act or the rules and the regulations framed thereunder. Full stop. It is one thing to say that while framing tariff, it can only take into consideration the provisions laid down in the schedule appended the Act and or the directions contained in the policy decisions issued by the state, as also other statutory principles governing the same, but then a tariff framed by it cannot be held to be ultra vires only because it did not take into consideration certain principles laid down in clauses C2 G of section 2 of section 29 of Rule 1998 Act. Full stop. It is of some significance to note that the commission in terms of clauses A and B of subsection 2 of section 29 of the 1998 Act are required to follow the principles provided for under section 46, 47 and 57 of the 1998 Act, as also the 6th schedule appended thereto. Full stop. The 1998 Act, therefore, recognizes the principles contained in the 1948 Act also. Full stop. I would be absurd to suggest that the principles required to be adopted by the Commission were perforce required to be adopted by the electricity boards despite the fact that the Commission did not come into existence. Full stop, over.